today I'm going to be showing you how I created this radiant glowy makeup look. So first I'm going to be taking Embryolisse moisturizer. And I'm taking a fixing spray. Next up I'm going to be taking this illuminating moisturizer. This leaves a good illuminating effect on your skin. Next up, I'm going to be taking a moisturizing foundation and then just dabbing it in. This one is more like a CC cream. Look how radiant it is. And then I'm taking a concealer and then going under my eyes and then my T-zone. And just buffing it in. Next up, I'm taking a contour stick and then giving a bit of shadow to my face. And then of course nose, because my nose is disaligned. And then I created this by myself. This is so pro. I'm just spraying a fixing spray on it and then taking a spoolie and rubbing it in. I'm just setting my brows with it. You can see instant difference. This technique is used for more like editorial look. I'm taking an eyebrow pencil and then filling my eyebrows in wherever it's needed. For this look, I'm gonna be very minimal. So I'm taking this bronzy shade and then just buffing into my eyelids. And then I'm gonna take this bronzy shimmer and then dabbing into my eyelids. And then taking this lashes and then creating a foxy eye look. Next up, I'm going to be taking this lip oil and just dabbing it in. Taking a lipstick and then just dabbing because I don't want a bold look. Taking the same lipstick and then dabbing it on my cheek because the more creamier products you use, the more glowy your skin looks. And next up, I'm going to be taking this highlighter and then dabbing it to my skin. And then on the nose as well, because why not. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it.